So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the sum and sum x, what is the difference between the sum and the sum x, and why is it used, and everything we are going to cover all about the sum and the sum x. So yeah, if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the sum and the sum x. Okay? So yeah, basically if you talk about the sum, okay, so basically this sum is a basic DAX function in the Power BI that adds up all the values in a single column. Okay, so basically the sum is an function that adds up all the values in a single column. Okay, so and here you can see the syntax of the sum will be like sum and the column name in the bracket. Okay, so yeah, we are going to see further with the simple example. Okay, that's what is meant by the sum and the sum x. Okay, so let's move to the SUMX. Okay, so basically SUMX is an iteration function that goes row by row over a table or filter evaluation expression for each row and then sums those results. Okay, so basically the syntax of the SUMX will be like here. You can see that SUMX in the bracket, table name and the expression. Okay, so let's move to the Power BI desktop. Okay, so basically I have loaded here the table. Okay, so here in the table the unit price which is multiplied with the order quantity. Okay, so for that, after this process we get here the new column. Okay, so this is the process of the sum. Okay, so with the help of the here new measure we have calculated the sum x. Okay, so this is the formula of the sum x. Okay, so if we see that the values of the sum and the sum x. Okay, so basically here you can see the card. Here you can see that this is the value of the sum. Okay, and this is this value of the sum x. Okay, so the values are similar. Okay, but the process is totally different. Okay, so this is how the sum and the sum x works. Okay, so yeah, if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.